or swing your arms. Any last words, sir? Good luck. Okay? Let's go out. A money bird, blue. Blue flies over. Grabs the money. What next, blue? Fly back to the table and blue wants to. Here you go. Donate your money. Okay, I'm sure you will give it 100 pesos. Okay lang ba? Blue, hi blue. Okay blue, sir. Second round sa down. Ba't din sa dyan? Is that job, sir? You will back your money. Before that, blue wants a picture for you or souvenir. Before we get seated here, please follow the protocol. Give you a